How do I find my PayPal account ID? Hello everyone, it's me Rock, and in this video tutorial I'll be teaching you how you can find your PayPal account ID. Here PayPal does not have the account ID numbers. Therefore, your email address itself is your PayPal account ID. However, you can also still find your PayPal transaction ID. Every PayPal transaction has a unique 17-character ID that is used to identify in it. In PayPal, you can use the transaction ID to track the status of the transactions or to search for the previous transaction. The ID can be found on your Events Payment Quick Status Report, which you can campaign by clicking, or you can select the List View option. To assist you in narrowing the search, you can from the Campaigns drop-down menu, you can select the events there. From the Status drop-down menu, you can select the Active and choose a sorting method from the Sort by drop-down menu. There you can click on the reports next to your active event, and the Quick Status Report section is located on the Reporting tab's right side. There you can select the payment from the drop-down menu and then locate the registrants with the payment type PayPal. The transaction ID can be found in the transaction ID column, which is located next to the payment type column. Now that you have the transaction ID, you can copy it and search the ID in the PayPal's reports or the activity pages to see the individual transaction details. Thank you for watching our video, and if you really like it, do not forget to subscribe our channel.